Alright guys, what's going on? Got a package here with some more speed parts, so let's open them up, see what they are. Haven't opened these yet, so I'm not sure. Oh, so we got the Damon Motorsports banjo bolt for the turbo to reduce smoke or whatever, and then we got their EGR delete. There it is. So all that stuff's gonna go on when I do the exhaust, which I think I'm actually gonna start maybe in the next day or two, because I'm going out of town next week, so I want to make sure that there's plenty of videos for everyone to watch. So in today's video, I think I'm gonna install the reflector brake lights, because I really want to get those in, and I'm not sure what you have to do it, but I'll figure that out. Just wanted to show off these sick GoPro cases I got. So before I had a drawer full of GoPro crap, but now I just have a case and I can take it on the go wherever we need. And yeah, that's pretty sick. Super hyped on that. Super hyped. So while we're walking by the Z, before I grab these lights to show you, I'm pretty hyped. I did a little bit to the Z over the past day or two. I mean, not a lot, but I went ahead and took the side airbags out that were right there, so that looks a lot better. There's still the two cords I need to take down, but yeah, I did that, and then I tucked the ECU because it was just chilling on the floor, so that looks way better, a lot more leg room. And yeah, if you guys need a stock Nismo 2011 ECU, just hit me up on Instagram, links in the description. And yeah, so anyway, let me get these lights out, they're right here, and then we'll see what we need to do to install these things. Okay, so I got the lights right here, and pretty hyped actually. Looks like they just pop in, no screws or anything, which means the other ones should just pop right out. And wiring wise, it's actually pretty cool, because so these run up to the taillights, and then it just splices out of one of the brake light plugs, and then you just plug this back in to the taillight, run your two wires down, and then splice them off with this. And yeah, you can kind of see the diagram here. It just runs up right into the taillight, and then you just plug those in. So this is a lot easier than I thought, so I'm pretty pumped on this. This thing's been running like a champ with the stage 1 tune and the intake. I don't have my access port on right now, but just wanted to update you guys that it's working pretty good. Okay, so we're filming in a new spot today. Pretty hyped to show you guys. This is like my new storage unit shop. I'm not sure how long I'll have it, just depending on how things go. I may have it for a while, may have it for a month or two, but anyway, let me show you guys this. I went ahead and just pulled my speed in here. So obviously you can tell, lots of room because the speed is here. 240's there, other speeds there, and yeah, there's tons of room. Could probably fit 6 cars comfortably in here and still have room to work. But yeah, this is kind of the new shop for now. We got fans, lights, electrical outlets, and yeah, it's pretty sick. I'm hyped on it, so let me know what you guys think of it. But anyway, I'm over here now. I got all my electrical connectors and everything in the seat over there, so I'm going to just go ahead and pop these things out. Okay, so luckily we have a parts car, and I'm able to look at this rear bumper right here and tell that there is a little clip, and looks like, oh, sick. Yeah, you just push on it. Holy, that was easy. You just pop it right out. So this should be really simple besides the wiring part. Just figuring out where to route the wires is gonna be the hard part. But I'm gonna let this exhaust cool for a second before I stick my hands down there, because I don't want to burn them. And then I'll pop these out, pop the new ones in, and we'll get to wiring. Okay, so things have cooled down a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and dive under there and pop these out real fast. Got both of those out. It took me a little longer than I expected, but they are out. So now it's time to, I need to wire these both together, and then I need to run the one wire up to whatever side I choose. So let's go ahead and wire these together. Okay, so I actually have to stick this side in, and then I have to connect this side once this is in, and then I have to cut somewhere in the middle here to splice up to go to that taillight. So it's a little more complicated doing it this way than I thought, but this is the only way I think you can do it without, you know, removing the rear bumper, which I do not want to do. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and slap this in. So pretty cool. This is a taillight plug, and this is the wires they gave me. Okay, you plug this right into here, like so, and then you re-plug this back into the taillight harness. So that's all ran now. So now you just need to run these two wires down somewhere good. I don't know where I'm gonna do this yet. I might actually see if there's a plug down here, because I know there's usually plugs at the bottom of trunks. So we'll see if there is that there. And while I'm there, I'm gonna remove my spare tire, because that's an extra who knows how many pounds that I just don't need. Thing's actually kind of heavy, look at that. Hopefully I never need a spare tire, even though I know I will at some point. But anyway, there are two plugs, but they're covered by sound deadening, so I'm gonna chip away at this right one right here, and then I'll poke a hole in that plug, run the wires through, and yeah, that's like the simplest, cleanest way I could think of doing this, because then I can just tuck the wires all in this side paneling and then cover it with this mat and be good to go. Okay, I chipped that sound deadening out, got the plug right here that goes here. I'm gonna widen this up a little bit so I can get this back in there. But for now, we're gonna poke a little hole in that and get this wire ran through it. Okay, so I got that wire, like I said, ran through there. So I'm gonna test and see if this light works real quick. I don't know if it's gonna come on with the headlight. Oh yeah, look at that. Dang, that's sick. So I'll have those, and then that nice lit up reflector down below. And this is gonna look so good. Show this off because I'm done back here. Super happy with how clean that looks. Goes right into there. Not gonna have to worry about any liquids or anything. And then this cover will just go right back over. Oops. Not like that, but you guys get the point. By the way, I forgot to mention I have to drill a hole right in here because the clip on the back wasn't clipping in with the two wires there. I think it's just too much. It's already too tight of a hole, so I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole here so I can feed those wires in. Kind of an idiot. Had the wires all the way ran through, and then I realized that this is the right side. So, gonna move over to the right side of the car and do this now. Okay, got that locked in there pretty good. So now I'm gonna finish it up. Alright guys, so it's already now 30 minutes. Who's calling right now? I'm filming. Be right back. Okay, so anyway, I'm not in focus. This camera never focuses. There I am. The wires are all connected right there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and zip tie everything up, and then we'll try it out. So I'll be back in like 3 minutes. Luckily, thanks to drifting, I always have a ton of zip ties on hand. Alright, wires are all zip tied up, super tight, you can probably see. And then it shouldn't touch the exhaust back here. Super hard to tell, but it is really tight. It's really tight. It's almost like a guitar string, but yeah. So now that those are on, let's go ahead and test them out here. Hopefully they work. All right, they're on. So those look so good. Holy cow! Wow. Those look insane. You guys should definitely do these if you have a Speed 6. Got crap in my eye. But let me hop in, press on the brake, and we'll see what that looks like. I guess I can't really tell, so... Oh yeah, they definitely look like they work. That is awesome. That was kind of a pain. I actually had to use some extra wire that I had laying around because they didn't really give me enough. Maybe it's just the way I routed it, but let's turn the lights off and see what it looks like. Oh, I can't see a thing. Okay, those are bright. Dang, those look good. That's awesome. I think those were only like 45 bucks too. Here, I'm gonna set the camera down and press the brakes so you guys can see that at night. And I should have all. Okay, that was my phone that I just smashed. Okay, so all 4 brake lights should light up, hopefully, unless I mess something up here. Can't see. Damn, even during the day, these things look super good. Look at those. Camera's about to die, super happy with that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know. I have a lot more stuff coming soon, so yeah, definitely recommend buying these. Super sweet mod. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.